Welcome to a very short tutorial on how to change the Windows language on your PC. The first thing you want to do is press Windows and I. You will then see a window that says Windows Settings, and you want to look right into the middle where it says Time and Language. You can also see it says Speech, Region and Date. Click on it, and then on the left hand side look for the language. You can now see the installed languages from which you can choose. In my case, it's English, United Kingdom and German. You can also see it's downloaded here on preferred languages. In case you want a language that is not installed, so it's not in this list or listed down here, you need to add a preferred language. So click on this one. And now you can either scroll through the whole list, which is a very long one, or you can simply enter the language or the country for which you want to have the language on your Windows. So in my case, I just want Swedish. So I type in Swedish and you can see that it is now shown here. Next to the language are symbols shown that correspond to display language, text to speech, speech recognition and handwriting. So in case of Swedish, there is no speech recognition, but all the other features are enabled or can be enabled. So I simply click on it, then I choose next, and then I can deselect language pack, text to speech, handwriting, which I'm going to do. And I want to install the language pack, and if you tick this box, set as my display language, it will automatically change the language, which requires you to sign out and sign in again. So in my case, I'll just select this one and then click on install. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a little bit of time. Once you're done though, it shows you setting Windows display language. Do you want to sign out now or sign out later and change the Windows language later? Whatever you choose, the next time you sign in again, the Windows display language is changed to Swedish in my case. So this is how you change the Windows language on your Windows 10 installation on PC within just a few clicks. Subscribe to help the channel, leave a like if you liked this video, and we'll see you in the next one.